New roof, new siding, new windows. Freshly painted. Stainless steel dishwasher. Smooth top stove, built-in microwave. Ceramic tile in kitchen and bathrooms. Counter bar. Pantry. Laminate hardwood in foyer, formal living room, dining room, hallway and family room. Walk-in closet and master bedroom. Low utility bills. Storage and carport. Extra large patio. Fenced yard. Storage building. Playhouse.